This is the Simmons flow lock wheel assembly kit for the Simmons hydrant models 800 and 6800. Now what this kit is designed to do is if you need to lock that hydrant onto the on position, leave it on and running for a long period of time, you can attach this wheel. What that's going to do is once it threads in, and then turn the handle, and that's going to lock the handle in the on position, not allow the weight of it to bring itself back down. Now this kit will include the part number 8824, 8610, and 8829. So that's going to be your handle screw here. That's driven by just a simple flathead. Of course, you got the threads down there on the bottom to connect. Also going to have the handle. It has the square opening in the bottom side and top. And then the connector. So how that's going to assemble, we're just going to put that squared piece of that connector through the bottom side of that handle. And then secure that into place with the screw. And once that's all connected, what you're going to do then is thread this piece of the connector into the hydrant head, and then it'll be ready to go. So once again, this is the Simmons flow lock wheel assembly kit for the Simmons hydrant models 800 and 6800.